Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Gmail account. But before we start, if it happens to be your first time on this channel, subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Chrome or your Safari. Now once you open your Safari, search for temp mail. Now once you search for temp mail, it will take you to this place. So click on the first link over here, and once you click on temp mail, you can see your temporary email address. Just wait as it is loading and click on copy, and you can see your temporary email address is copied right now. So once you are done with this, open your App Store or your Play Store and then update your Gmail app over here. So if your Gmail app is not up to the latest version, you need to make sure you update it to the latest version. Now once you have updated your Gmail, just go ahead and open it over here and click on your profile at the top right corner. Now once you click on your profile at the top right corner, you can see add another account. Click on this option, and once you click on add another account, you can see Google. Click on Google and click on continue over here. Now you can see over here it is asking for your email address. As you can see, sign in, but click on create account and click on for my personal use. Now once you click on for my personal use, you can see create a Google account. So enter your name. So enter your first name and your surname, but it is optional, so you can choose to skip it. Then click on next. Now basic information, your date of birth and also your gender. So select the date, then the year. You can choose any one. Now click on your gender, male, then click on next over here. Now once you click on next, you can see it is asking for your account. So let's paste the account that we copied from temp mail, and you can see over here. Now because at gmail.com is already here, we need to delete from here. So let's delete at gmail.com. Let's delete everything. So you can see over here the at gmail.com is already here, so we need to delete starting from from the address that we just copied. Then click on next. Now it is asking for a strong password. So your password, choose a strong password, please. Then you add some symbol or some sign. Then you click on next. So you can choose to save your password. So you can see save password. Now you can see it is asking for your number, but in this case we don't want to include our personal number, so just click on skip over here. So you can see add phone number to account, so click on skip over here. And once you click on skip, you can see review your account info. Click on next over here, and once you click on next, you can see privacy and terms. Scroll here and you can see I agree. Now, once you click on I agree, your account is created successfully. So with this, you can create multiple or unlimited Gmail account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.